Lesson 6. Coding with Python. Hello children, since the most used language is Python, let us learn the basics of this high-level programming language. Python is a popular high-level programming language. It is a powerful language used for general purposes programming. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is extensively used to develop games, web application, websites, program robots, develop AI-based application. Features of Python. Here are the key features of Python, which make it versatile and widely used in various applications. It is very easy to learn. It is free to use and easily available. It has a simple syntax. It is an interpreted language, executes code line by line. It is case sensitive. It differentiates between capital and small letters. It is platform independent, run on multiple operating systems. It is dynamically typed, no need to declare variable types. Installing Python. To install Python, open the website http www.python.org. Downloads. Once you visit given link, you find the most advanced version of Python of downloading the setup. Once the download is complete, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the location where the latest version of Python is downloaded. Step 2. Double-click on the installer to execute it. Step 3. Click Install Now button and keep clicking the next button until you see the Close button. Step 4. Open Python and start working with any of the following two modes. Interactive mode. It is command line shell in which code is executed line by line and gives immediate result for each command. To open the Python shell mode, click on Start, scroll down to Python 3.14, idle, Python 3.14, 64-bit. The main idle window appears. Components of Python idle, integrated development and learning environment window. There are two components of Python idle window. Menu bar. The menu bar of Python idle window is similar to the menu bar of other programs. It includes File, Edit, Shell, Debug options, Window, Help, each with several options. Prompt or command prompt is denoted by. This is the area where you can type a code and get an output instantly by pressing the Enter key. Note, the print function is used to display the output of any command on the computer screen. Note, if you want to display more than one argument to the print function, separate them by using commas. Remember, the interactive mode does not save the commands entered by the users. Script mode. The script mode is used for ring-lengthy programs. In this mode, users can save the commands. To start with the script mode for creating a program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the File menu. Step 2. Click on the New File option. Step 3. In a new window that opens, type the commands you want to save as a program like. Step 4. Click on File, Save to save the file with the desired name egg. First, py, where py is the extension for Python files. Step 5. Run the Python program by clicking on Run module or press F5 key. The output will be generated. Types of errors in Python. Before going deep into Python program, let's first know what is an error. An error is a term used to describe any issue that arises unexpectedly in a computer. As a result, the computer cannot function properly. The most common types of errors you will encounter in Python are syntax error. It is a common error that raised by the parser when syntax is not used properly. Some common causes are unclosed strings, indentation issues, misusing the assignment operator, misspelling Python keywords, missing brackets, parentheses or braces. Indentation error. The indentation error raised when there is an indentation issue in your code. Some common causes are missing tabs with spaces, incorrect spacing, incorrectly nested blocks or white space at the beginning of a statement. Name error. It is raised when a variable is not found. Zero division error. It is raised when you attempt to divide a number by zero. Keyboard error. It is raised when you press the interrupt key, Ctrl+C or delete. Data types. A data type specifies the types of value, data, stored in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. The basic data types used in Python are int. It represents integrated numbers. Numbers without any fractional part. Example, there are three types of integers in Python. Integer, int, long integer, long int, boolean, bool, float. It represents floating point values numbers with fractional part. Example. String, str. It represents strings of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Example. Variables. A variable is a named location which is used to store data in the memory. The names given to the variable are known as identifiers. Comments in Python. Comments in Python are text note added to the code to explain its purpose, logic or functionality. They are not executed by the interpreter and are solely for the benefits of programmers. Python supports two types of comments, single-line comment and multi-line comment. They start with a hash sign. Example: printing the result, print, hello, print, good luck. Input and output functions in Python. Input function. The input function is used to accept the value for a variable from the user. This function takes the value as a string argument. Print function. The print function is used to print a value or message. The print function can have multiple parameters like comma, tab, space, new line character, comma, operators. We use operator as a separator among the values. The values are displayed with a tab space between them. Tab space. This separator is used to provide a tab space between the values. New line character. And this separator is used to add a new line between the values. Python operators. In Python, operators are symbols that perform arithmetic and logical operators on the operands and provide a meaningful result output. The value that gets operated on is called an operand and the symbol is called the operator. Example: 10 plus 20. Here 10 and 20 are operands and plus sign is an operator. There are various types of operators used in Python. Some of them are arithmetic operators, used to perform basic mathematical calculation. The different arithmetic operators are assignment operators. The assignment operators is used to assign a value to a variable. Relational comparison operators, used to compare the value of two operands and return true or false accordingly. The different relational operators. Logical Boolean operators, used to combine conditional statements. There are mainly three types of logical operators: i, and, or, and, not. Conditional formatting, used to execute code based on certain conditions. The primary conditional statement are if, elif and else. These statements control the flow of the program based on Boolean expressions. Solved examples: to assign values to multiple variables, to multiply three numbers entered by the user, to calculate the average marks of these subjects, to concatenate two strings. A program to enter a number and check whether it is greater than 1000. A program to check whether the person is eligible to drive or not. A program to check whether the person is eligible to vote or not. Recap Zone. Python is a high-level programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python supports classes and objects. Py is the extension for Python files. A data type specifies the type of value. Data, stored in a variable. A variable is a named location which is used to store data in the memory.